Hey, you are back. Privet, как дела? So, it's been quite some time in Russia, and today in this vlog 3, I would be showing you how I used to spend my days in Russia. So, I'll introduce my family in Perm. This is my sexy bro Dima, and this is our dog Zoltan. Zoltan, say something. So basically in Perm, to experience the lifestyle, I'm living with my host family, my sexy brother Jenny, and this is our place we used to chill together. So this is my brother Jenny, and this is my another brother Boris. So today is a free day, we are having some good time together, and we are trying to cook something. And you can see one boy in the cap, he's my bro Boris. He's a master chef, man. He used to cook really amazing food for all of us. And yeah, you can see we got something really interesting. Comment below if you can guess it. And you know, living in Russia on the 9th floor is really exciting. And even when your lift is not working and you left something upstairs. So being solution oriented, we used to tackle it this way. And coming to Russia but not driving the left-handed car is just waste of time. So I asked my brother, hey Jenny bro, can I have your car please? And then here we go. So everything was perfect, the roads was looking for Priyanshu, the weather was sexy, but our bro Borya is having an interview. So after listening some Punjabi songs in the car, we decided we'll drop our boy Boris for the interview. Being multi-talented, we don't used to go for a haircut. We do it in a Russian style. Yeah, put it in the line.
One line, huh?
Yeah. It's crazy, brother. It's crazy. Finally, after an amazing day, we got some time to have our dinner. Dobre utra. A new day, a new set of tasks. We generally used to have our meetings in the cafes. Everything can be done, but exploring the city was most important, man. So we decided we'll have a Russian tram and we'll go through the entire city. Like I have just seen the trams in the movies and all, but the first time I'm going through it. Going from the rows, having its own way, the trams were really amazing. But the best part about the transportation in Russia in Perm is you have more number of transportations you can choose from, and there is a standard rate, like you need to pay only 20 rubles and you can go anywhere in the city. And for that purpose, it's your choice. You want to take a tram or a bus. But in my opinion, I'll suggest you to have the tram, because the tram will take you from some interesting places and some haunted houses. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you that right now we are going for some shopping. There are many stores in the city, but right now we are going for a cheapest store in the city and we'll have some grocery shopping. So after having really good views from the tram, we reached our store. And I told you in the beginning that this is the cheapest store, because in Russia there are many stores like Semya, Sinep Market and many more. But my friends told me that this is the cheapest and one of the biggest market in the city. Maybe that's why it's cheap and it's like quite big. I don't know what all this is, but some Russian meat, some Russian crazy meat. Don't know. Yeah?
What are you doing, boy?
I'm just trying to figure it out what it is. What is this?
It's beef.
Beef?
Beef, it's all beef.
All beef?
All beef.
Small beef, big beef.
Yeah.
And this is elephant?
This is pork.
Pork?
Pork. Yeah. Pig.
Pig. So big.
Yeah, so big. They're very big.
Such a big pig.
You know, in Ukraine, there's like a traditional dish.
And this?
This is pig also. In Ukraine, there's traditional dish. Yeah.
Pig is a So basically, I came here to experience the shopping in Russia. So I got to know an interesting fact. Like in India, we guys are having a standard MRP, right? That we'll have this product with the same price everywhere. But in Russia, it's quite different. Like as I told you, there are different stores all over the city. Even the prices of the products are also different in the city. So maybe you can get a juice of like 70 ruble somewhere, and maybe in the next store you can get the same juice of 100 rubles. So in the beginning I was quite confused, but after having some days in the city, I just figured it out that Semia and the Sinip market is quite cheap. So wherever you find these stores, like you can have some cheap products from there. And for the chocolates and candies, there is a different scale. You need to weigh them and the rates are different per 100 grams. But I don't need to bother much because I'm on a project in ISEC, and ISEC in Perm is taking care of everything very well. But for all of this, I really thank my ISEC buddies and my loving host family, my brother Jenny. And my friends told me that today is the Perm State Day, and it's kind of a festival in the city. There will be some road shows and different activities all over the city. Coming to Russia in summers is really good idea, but here you won't have mangoes, but many different kind of fruits. So no more shopping, and I'm really excited to see how the festival looks like. That was really amazing. I have never seen something like that in my life. So after a long day, we were tired. So we find an Indian restaurant. I was really happy because I was missing the Indian food. Here, everybody had the food. Even my Russian friends loved the Indian food and the Indian spices. By the way, the name of the restaurant was Garam Masala. You can easily find in the city. So this was an amazing day, and I want to sleep after having a lots of great food. But how can we end our day without walking with Zoltan? And it's our dog, Zoltan. So I hope you enjoyed the day. Many things are yet to come. So break the like and subscribe button and see you in the next video. Paka.